Unless you talking numbers, we ain't speaking about the right things. Switch up on my nigga for a figure, that's not like me. Baddie with a body in the lobby, she like nice things. She used to know me then, she like me now, that's funny timing. Eyes been on that prize, I cop that crib for that timepiece. I'm trying to see the globe and sell out shows until the flight leaves. They wanna ride my ties, but they ain't even ride or die, please. But I've been short on time, been in the prime of my prime easy. I said I never changed and leveled up, I guess I lied, yeah. Off that straight up potent just to feel like I'm alive, yeah. Mix that with that potion just to feel like I'm that guy, yeah. So know the one you talking to, you way outside your line, yeah. Go against the tribe, you lose your... Let me not even say this. I just ran out of my patience. I just got tired of waiting and got here myself. Want me to believe in the dream that they see for themselves, but still doubt in themselves. They might as well light up the L. High top on 10 toes, drip retro. Talking major plays, hella high tech through the getro. Pin game, pin petrol. Just set it in the flesh hole. Send a text mail to give a wet clothes. On the vapor wave to make a drip drip with the left lobe in the left stroke. I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long. Yeah. Flex up. Shawty on 10, finna go up. Bring that to the crib, let me show love. Flex up. I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long. I need a bag. Flex up. I need a check, yeah. Shawty on 10, finna go up. Bring that to the crib, let me show love. Ayy, come from the pit, I'm out of the trench, my nigga, we look at the dread, my nigga, we ran, she all on my way. I never let them play me, but they claiming the lines until I'm goated, I'm going off. Loyal to my soil and the culture, I'm that chosen one. I just got a bag, she wanna I think she know I'm star. I can't do no wrong, look in her eyes, she wouldn't know I'm scarred. They try to justify me going up like they don't know he raw. Off of that dough, just what they told you, I'm never sober. Gripping the split for the chip on my shoulder, trying to decode this. They label me thug, I keep it a buck, I don't give a fuck about it. Out of the mud, they showing me love, my nigga, what's up? Out of my way, bitch, I need the paper. What you want, I mean, I know later. I keep it short with the conversation. Out of my lane, the crew got a brain in the cockpit with no hands on it. I've been the man with the plan, homie. Flip that to the man with the bands on me and a passport with the stamps on it. Yeah. I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long. Yeah. Shawty on 10, finna go up. Bring that to the crib, let me show love. I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long. I need a bag. I need a check, yeah. Shawty on 10, finna go up. Bring that to the crib, let me show love.
They say you die when you don't dream. Yeah. Guess I'm alive cause I still believe. Look at the sky, tell me what you see. I see stars that look like me. Take a guess how I live. Bet every time you be wrong, you couldn't walk a mile in these kicks. You don't even know the path where I've been. Talk about rolling coins and make ends. Took a lot of L's but never did quit. Took it on the chin and look at my strength. Place that bet, the chips are all in. Say that you're pressure, you don't know pressure. I'm here for the bank, you're here for the extras. Just me and the fam, I don't need no extras. It's the ones that I love that I treat like treasure.
Fed up, I'm really fed up. I hear the side talk, I never said much. Fed up, I'm really fed up. I had to fall back so I could step up. Come on this walk if you could fit in these shoes. I face some times when I had nothing to lose. I beat the odds and now I'm living the proof. But I still go hard like I got something to prove. I get up, I go hard to the day that I came. All those losses, they made me the man. From the start and I stand today. I go hard as I can.
Couldn't wait to see Friday. Back when things were going sideways. Now I do things my way. In this fast lane on the highway, I was slowing down but I sped up. Making sure we all fed up. Hard times I was fed up. Head high, never said much. And I love where I've been, love where I'm headed. Moving love, been spreading love, cause it's love that'll win. Used to be too quiet, but now I'm on 10. I was down bad, then was back up and been down bad again. Nah, I can't stop and I won't stop. I go hard for my kids, I go hard for my babe, cause she went hard when I didn't. I was patient and waited, now it's my turn to win. Move like the man, now I'm never going back again.
Fed up, I'm really fed up. I hear the side talk, I never said much. Fed up, I'm really fed up. I had to fall back so I could step up.
Come on this walk if you could fit in these shoes. I face some times when I had nothing to lose. I beat the odds and now I'm living the proof. But I still go hard like I got something to prove.
I get up, I go hard till the day that I get up. All those losses, they made me the man. From the start and I stand today. I go hard as I can.
Got an ache inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land. Not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it. So cold, get warm. When you hold me, when you close. I know I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
XO. My ace boom boom, no flex, no. I won't gas you up like petrol. Just trying to take you way up where the jets go. But you didn't notice that. Keep clocking all my hours, I told you that. Work now, play later, but you keep going off on me. Keep texting like it's all on me. Yeah, you're all in my head like Whatever your love can slow me down, don't go far. I take me and you over living large. Know I'll be there wherever you are. Cause you shine bright like a shooting star.
Everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
Sticks and stones may break my bone, but your words can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No, I ain't been right more than I've been wrong, and it still can't hurt me. No, it just can't hurt me. No. No, you just can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me, no, no, no. I know it's hard to be polite, and it's easy being petty. My mama used to tell me, gotta use you when he ready. Man, it's crazy how my brother said it could've been my cell. It's either prison or a grave, that's what everybody tell me. Man, life ain't a beach, it's a female dog. I'm staying 10 toes down, though I still might fall. Oh yeah, now I done came through, knocking pictures off you all. Cause loving people who persecute you, it's still a tough. So be a light up on my path and a lamp under my feet. I know my faith strong, but my flesh still kinda weak. When that victory be looking like the verge of defeat, and I feel like disrespect, help me turn my other cheek and say, sticks and stones may break my bone, but your words can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No, I ain't been right more than I've been wrong, and it still can't hurt me. No, it just can't hurt me. No. No, you just can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me, no, no, no. No, you just can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me, no. See, it's hard to be polite, it's easy being petty. Mama used to tell me, gotta use you when you're ready. Cause I ain't working on my own timing. Ain't got no diamonds on me, but I stay shining, yeah, yeah. They say the world would be a better place if we take out the hate.
Stop all the hate right now.
Yeah. Let's keep it real, it'd be better if we just subtract the fake. Yeah, so be a light up on my path and a lamp under my feet. I know my faith strong, but my flesh still kinda weak. When that victory be looking like the verge of defeat, and I feel like disrespect, help me turn my other cheek and say, sticks and stones may break my bone, but your words can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No, I ain't been right more than I've been wrong, and it still can't hurt me. No, it just can't hurt me, no. No, you just can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me, no, no, no.
It's for somebody special, yeah. Can't wait it out tonight. Baby, you special. Can't wait it out tonight. Yeah. Can't believe it's so.
What's going on YouTube? How's everyone doing? All right, what's going on, guys? What's wrong with this thing? Alright, let's take a look at the daily here. Gold is still bullish overall. So we've got this daily swing high here. Daily support. We got this support here. I think this song is too loud. That's better. Alright. Got this support here. Support. And we'll call this swing low. Put this here. Going to add one more support here. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. So we got a 4 hour resistance here. Actually, we are going to use a rectangle. And this minor resistance. Our support here. And this for our demand. And we got one more here. Alright, 1 hour. 1 hour, we've got this supply here. Oh, this 4 hour, no. What? This 1 hour demand here.
Inside my own world of make-believe, kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in
30-minute demand.
cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's
Coming out the rip coat. Oh, we got these nails. Coming all the way down to the lows. This rejection here, we've got a 4 hour demand here. So far, not anticipating it to hold. Plus, we got news coming up 30 minutes after NY session opens. So else do we have here? We've got 30 minutes supply. 15 minutes. Move this to 15 minutes supply. And we are going to add okay. Good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, that's a much better thumbnail, King. That looks like you.
So guys, we got news today, and then Trump is also speaking. So after the unemployment claims, we'll see if we can get it set up.
What time's your speech, King?
10 a.m. CST.
Okay, 10 a.m. your time. That's 3 hours from now. Okay.
Yeah, pretty much. Um, yeah, coupons in 3 minutes. What's going on YouTube? How you guys doing? Don't forget to like the stream, guys. Yeah, I meant to put time. I put time. I wrote time. All right, that's good. Vivian, Sue, Sam. Mm. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay. Oh, major session is opened. Oh, nice, Ekene. Nice. Where am I from? I'm Nigerian, but I live in the US. Good morning, Shane. The reason why I'm calling this low right here, 15-minute major support, is because you have your major high right there at 27.63, and we pretty much came all the way down, created a low, went up, created another resistance. Question now is, are these sellers that got in from the top here got in again here? Because we have aggressive selling right there, and they got back in here. So are they strong enough to break, pretty much for this high to break this low it's created? Then we can expect something like this. Oh, damn it. Well, give me a second. Okay, so from the top, low, high, we need the sellers to stay in this so they can break this low, and we can pretty much get a move like this for continuation. So we are going to wait for the news, and then we'll see what happens. Hopefully, even though Trump is speaking today, we can still, get a good setup. We are currently reacting to, of course, you have before our demand there that we actually wicked, but we are reacting to this 1 hour demand here. We could keep failing to break this low, and then if that happens, then price could push up from here, because you also have a 4 hour demand here, which is a higher time frame demand, and of course we are still bullish overall. So of course price already did this move. If we fail to break below here, we could see price go all the way back. Is it going to reject this supply here? I don't think so. However, I think we could get a potential liquidity grab. Price will test a higher supply, and then we start working our way back down, and this time we should break. Okay. So with news, we'll see what price is pretty much going to do between 2754.49 and 2741.03. So we'll see. This could be the pullback to reach all-time highs. Possibly. However, you could be right, Quavo, because at the end of the day, we still have an overall bullish structure on the daily time frame. However, price right now on the lower time frame, and I always say trend, counter trend, momentum, whatever, everything starts from the lower time frame. Now, so here on the lower time frame, we still have a bearish structure, because in order for the lower time frame to be overall bullish, we need to break the all-time high. Now, since we've not taken out the all-time high just yet, that means this lower time frame still has a bearish structure. And right now, since we've created this high at 2763, we've pretty much been creating lows and highs. We're not creating highs and lows. So knowing that, you should understand that any of these lower highs could reject. Even this major high could reject again, and we can start working our way back down. Okay. So if you fail to catch a buy at this bottom, just let this thing just keep going. Because the reason why you want this to keep going is because even though the way this looks, there's a chance we could go up from here. But with news, we don't know for sure. So we could go up, come back down, pretty much let sellers get in, and then come back down, we test again, then we push. So let's still wait. So that's why, as you can see right here, I have short-term sales, because that's really what I'm looking for right now. I do understand that the higher time frame is bullish overall, but not just yet. I'm anticipating I'm actually anticipating this 4-hour demand here. That's where price is going to get to. And we do that today, I don't know, tomorrow, I can't say, because it's the 4-hour time frame. At the same time, not this 1-hour demand. Yeah, so this 30-minute demand could also hold, because this is our major high right there in this range, and this is a low right here, and this is a higher time frame support. But you also have a demand there. So the fact that we're creating lows and highs, I'm expecting that we're going to come all the way back down to a previous major low, then find our continuation from there. We'll see how we react here at this 1-hour demand. See what news does. Okay, Antuna, I'm good. Because if you pay attention to this range, let me circle it right here. If you pay attention to this range, you can clearly see that we are not doing this. That's not what we're doing. We are doing this. Oh no, what the hell? I suck at freaking. Let me do that again. So this is what we're doing. That's what we're doing. Every low formed was taken out until now. So that's what you need to pay attention to. Okay? We are not breaking highs. We have this right here. What we have on the right hand side. If price is breaking lows, there's no point trying to look for buys. Was this 1 hour demand? Huh? I'm not too sure if it's going to hold because it's not strong enough. However, this 1 hour demand here is a very, very strong demand. This could hold. I just strongly believe since we have a strong push to the downside here, we should come all the way back down to the lows. That's the reason why I'm not marking this 1 hour demand. But we are going to pay attention to this 1 hour demand here. But I don't see it holding because of this bearish stronger momentum that we have. Oh, it's trying to break it. It's not even COMEX open yet. Forget to smash the like button, guys. Mm-mm-mm. All right. Good morning, Richard. We got 10 more minutes. It's now COMEX open.
Buy or sell pie. Where's the PFA?
I don't know. I can't see it doing much. Do both.
Do both.
Do
Gotcha.
both. But I agree. I think it's just going to keep dropping until Trump says something stupid.
Mm-mm-mm. This COMEX is not doing anything. That sales we took yesterday, man, could have given us 1-to-1. Eventually fell.
Man, if you held that trade, congratulations, because look at that chop. Imagine holding through all that slow bullshit chop for like, what, 24 hours, basically?
Yep, 24 hours. You have a trade running, should you close or hold? Are you in sales? If you're in sales, I would say that at least move your stops to profit, because we got news coming up in 7 minutes. Or you can just close that now. But if you close that now and the gold just keeps falling with the news, you're gonna be like, man, King told me to close it. So just do what you comfortable doing. Follow your gut. Follow your intuition.
But if you're in buys, God help you.
Hey guy, took self from the between don't know if you should close. Man, how can you get in a trade and you're asking me if you should close?
I hate those kinds of questions
Follow
because
your
they don't want
intuition.
any responsibility for the trade. Because once you say, but close it or hold it, it's like now they can just blame you.
Yep, that's why I say follow your intuition.
Man, that happened last week, man. I called some people out.
This type of questions, they be trying to set me up. And I know how to dodge a bullet. I'm very good at dodging bullets, so. This is a gambler's game, man. Facts.
Jay Smith, where are you? Tell that person he's wrong.
That's guaranteed you get
full size, sending that short into the news.
That's why I don't understand the concept behind having a buy, stop, sell, stop before the news.
Nah, you gotta do like Jay Smith. Before the news, he's already in and full size, maxed out contracts, can't go any further. No stop loss. Fuck it.
Oh my god. Oh man, it's a shame on our side it came back up. I was just saying, it's a shame because our sale was that, but it did that.
Yeah.
It's a shame we didn't get that.
Actually, this one it was faster.
Oh yeah, definitely.
This sale we took though in London, I don't even think it was a 5-minute trade. I don't even think it took 5 minutes.
Yeah, it was too fast.
Oh, you sound like my wife.
Okay, 3 more minutes. It's not a setup. Just messing with you guys, chooks. But honestly, I don't like answering questions like that though. You're gonna change this to 1 hour supply. That is about to close.
I would think that, depending on what Trump says, but you would think gold would just absolutely tank. Just the way Trump is so bullish and I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that. We're going to tax them, we'll tax them.
This is his first.
Oh, I took a look at that fucking like Trump coin and Melania coin. Dude, they're fucking like shit in the bed. That Melania coin opened at like $13 and sitting at $3. It just went straight down.
Melania coin or Trump?
Yeah. And then the Trump coin, I don't know, it opened at like, you know, like around like under $10 and then went up to like 60 or some shit, and now it's back down to like, I don't know, 20 or something.
Yep, this is the right time to buy it. Even if you get one coin. $30 minute did not close up below. 15 minute, nope, that's not a closure below. How many pips did we take? 60 during our London session.
But I heard that Lucian took 0, so, you know.
Yeah, but then, you know, it caught the buys.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
Yeah, but I push it at 50% with the 5. Yeah, hold to 1-to-1. I was scared about this candle and with not so big orders down there, and I said, man.
But hey, good trade.
Yeah.
You took a W, build that, you know, build that win streak, that confidence, that experience.
I mean, considering that we've had what, together, all of us together in a group have had what, two trades this week, and they've been amazing.
All the group together, we have like $2,000.
Can we share it?
This is the smart money concept. Institutional traders.
Wall's not getting out of bed for $2,000, man. Double it.
More like tripling it.
Yeah, triple it. Yeah, see, Wall PFA didn't do anything.
Beautiful. That's what I pay for.
Yeah, that's exactly. That reminds me, actually, when are you looking to make payment?
Yeah, remind me about that later.
Okay.
You took 30. Okay. Well, this news didn't do nothing.
I think they're all waiting for Trump now. Speech.
Even though it didn't close below this, we're going to add this up right here. Just waiting to see if the news was going to do anything. And we're not. Oh, guys, well, get ready for 100 pips. Top wells, yeah.
In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand,
100 pips top loss, guys.
but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you?
I need the bathroom so bad.
Me too. I'm
Order
in,
filled.
guys. I am in. I'm in the trade. Alright, guys. I'll be right back. You guys know what to do if it gets to 50 pips before I get back. Be right back. Keep smashing the like button. And we only got 52 likes. Well, please take a vote for me if you're still here.
Yep. I got it. Oh. You know, YouTube's quiet. Everyone's quiet. Now comes the silence, the awkward silence of being
That
in a trade.
drawdown silence. Silent pain everyone's feeling.
YouTube is not very talkative lately nowadays. Back in the day, man, they couldn't shut up. The hate was insane.
Always happy. It'll be the same again if there's any losses.
Lucian, tell us what's going on. What are you seeing? Is it good news? Is it bad news? Is there news?
For now, nothing. Nothing really happens. It's like a draw between buyers and sellers.
Ah.
No bottom wick on this candle. Oh, we got a nipple wick on the futures. Nipple wick on my broker. If we just go into tab below, At this previous low here. Worst case, that's what this should do. And then flip. I'll tap that supply again. Good morning, Janice. We're rejecting that previous low. Hopefully it keeps doing that.
You lost your dog yesterday? Damn, that sucks. They will be noisy when we go to TP for sure. Missing my friend?
Damn.
Man. Where's my friend?
You was talking about you.
Oh shit.
Oh, is that
I'm here, Wolf.
Is that missing me, my friend? And it was just rejecting it perfectly.
Just give us the 1, 2, 3 pattern, man. Now we're sitting at the 1 hour demand and they try to buy it first.
The reason
Sniper traders.
the reason why I took these sales right here is because I saw this candle as a fake out for the buyers. I tried to snipe this low, so we'll see what we do from this low. We're going against the buyers that bought from this candle. Let's see if it's gonna work again today. Fully good is not trying to wait for Trump to speak before he does the move he wants to do.
And that won't be good.
Man.
It has to be in profit when that dude starts opening his mouth.
Yeah, I don't even want to be in any trade.
Yeah, by the time Trump is talking, I hope I can spend the profits from this trade.
Yep.
Well, on the order flow, it looks like it should just keep trending down, but it's just not strong. It's choppy, overlapping.
Yeah,
Might
no
even range down here.
big orders, but the sell orders are still bigger than the buy orders.
Yeah.
But I see they like try to buy it down here and buy it, but
That's
where is
exactly.
this London candle?
That's
Where you
true.
are, man?
The way that bullish candle closed. Yeah, sorry, that's fake alpha bias. Grabbing liquidity below it. Man, everyone is so quiet.
Yeah. It's eerie.
I could hear a pin drop.
You can hear our tick beats. Tick.
That perfect doji looks iffy. Yeah.
Yeah, if the 1 hour it will close like this, will be a nice closure below the support. If like in the last 2 minutes they can push the candle Up.
Right before it closed. Oh, right before the candle closed. That's insane.
Oh yeah,
Tries to.
before the hourly.
Yep. Notes a strong candle closure above this previous low, but it still closed above. So we'll see what happens. Yep. Honestly, if we start crossing the high of that doji candle, then Houston, we got a problem. I
We
mean,
have the
yeah,
first
killed a bit.
120 lots sellers here. Let's see and make something.
Yeah, you're right, could a bit, but once once you start crossing that candle, I don't know.
Jumping ship.
No.
Abe's gonna go down with the ship. He ain't jumping. He's the captain.
Even if it crosses there, I still believe this is still going to fall. Except if Trump says something and gold just keeps going up. We're looking at a possible strong retracement here.
Possible second entry YouTube.
Pineapple. Add the banana. We're in yet? Yeah, we're in. As you can see, we're in drawdown.
We're almost out.
No, we're just in drawdown.
On the order flow, I see only red here. Come on, babe. Show us the blood.
Oh yeah, that's Gabriel. I think he only adds in profit. It doesn't add in negative. I don't think. I could be wrong. Man, good is really thinking here on what to do. I don't like it when that happens. Yep, that doji.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna say it earlier, but Lucian said, you know, the first big seller, and I see on, you know, Trade of Eight, it's like massive amount of selling came in, 130 lot, 30, 60, 60, 20, 10, 10, 10, 10, but price didn't move down a single pip, so they got absorbed. So those like 300 lots that got sold, someone just sucked it all up. They said, thanks. All right, I'm short gold. I'm gonna join you guys. There we go. Straight into profit. Let's go, baby.
Yeah, man, the 15 minute looks like it hasn't moved at all.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but the wall it's already 1 to 2.
uh,
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
we
Keep
can't
going back there.
like, it's going to be crazy how it closed. That previous candle closed doji, and it doesn't continue to drop here.
You're welcome, everybody. You're welcome for my huge sell order.
Well, you probably
Yeah.
only, you probably only sold one contract.
No, I sold 5.
Man, it's not enough.
It's not enough. Let's be real.
We need like 500 contracts.
Yeah, you're gonna need like some significant amount. Like some 100 lot order got absorbed by the buyer, so shit, you're gonna need like 200, 300 market order in there.
That's why I said 500.
Yeah, I saw your contract here. It's yellow with a jolly face. I think it's yours.
And it works. Like even though like I'm staring at the futures chart, I'm still taking it on my Forex account at the same time. So it's like still working. Now, if this thing comes back up, re-breaks this high again, man, that's not good. That's real bad.
Don't say it.
Okay, I didn't say nothing.
If it does that, it's just go doing his shenanigans today. Because they already grabbed liquidity below.
I think we will change the name in Shenanigan USD.
Today is Thursday. Lucian saw that tiny drop in the ocean. Best prop named, man, I don't know, maybe FTMO 5%.
Okay, this is looking good now.
For you,
Oh,
we're
no,
still in
no, I just
drop.
mean like... As long as it can get past this like little tiny support that it's created here, then it should flush down.
We need it past here, so don't care about here.
Like that 15 prior bullish 15-minute candle, there's like very little volume inside of it, so it should just flush straight back down and re-engulf it.
We can start talking about all that when it breaks this low again and close below it.
Yeah, then we'll be okay. Looks fine. Looks good. Come on.
Come on, Gold. I think he needs a helping hand. He's like just on the verge of like pushing through here. Someone needs to just like smack a big fat 50, 100 lot in there. Convince him to go down.
Max, what are you waiting for? 100 lot sell.
I speak it with my people. We can make it for one lot.
Come on, Gold. Do it for the team. Yes, there you go. It's time to flush down, fill up that bullish candle.
The body has not
Pips
even
move it so
done
flash
anything.
down.
The body
No,
has
no, no.
not-
It's just that it broke the support, and now, you know, it should just come on down because there's not much holding it up anymore.
Oh, on the tick chart.
Yeah.
I put 95 in. I hope it's enough.
You did what?
I put 95 lots in. I hope it's enough.
Oh my god. I thought $95.
Probably.
Powell family, it's in this sale, man. It will be down there.
It's coming.
You see? What did I tell you guys? It's coming back down. Just had to take out that buyer.
Well, let's close below the support first.
Yeah. Who knows once it gets down there?
Of course, Ikine, you're not in, so whatever good one to do, we can do.
Oh, okay. So that means like Lucian. I'm assuming there's like an iceberg at the very bottom of the low because there's like a 94 contracts sold at the very, very bottom and price just immediately
Yeah.
reversed.
This is a iceberg order,
Yeah.
and the iceberg orders is consumed, and then the price go up. And on the top, it will be on the buy side.
It's crazy if you're like a big player in the market that you can just like put an order out there and then, you know, price reverses like fucking, was that? Literally 100 pips from his order. So he's just like instantly filthy rich.
Did it what tick chart are you looking at? Well,
Oh, for gold, I look at 50 tick and I'm looking at the, you know, the footprint chart to see the big, the orders.
okay. Yeah, that candle didn't close nice.
The iceberg is just here. Order.
Yeah, literally the very bottom.
Yeah, it will be an up iceberg. Usually this is a turning point of the market when you see something like this.
Oh man.
Okay, let's see if this is an iceberg order. It's a 66 to 0. Push down.
Jesus, buyers are not fucking messing around.
Yeah, if this thing doesn't fall from here, it's still gonna fall. It's probably gonna do it from here and fall again, which is going to be crazy because we already have this deep pullback here. So we should just get a slight one here, just like what we have, and then continue.
Well, there's an iceberg to the high side now at the very top of this current candle. But I don't think that's gonna hold. Oh, no, it didn't hold. They blasted him. Why are there so many buyers, man? What the fuck?
Yeah, especially after this doji candle closure is.
Oh,
Order
God.
filled.
Yep, I just got stopped out on futures. All right.
Jesus.
Teacher? Absolutely. Hey, did that.
Futures tapped quick?
Huh?
What does that mean? Tapped something? Oh. You had 100 pips stop on your futures, Abe?
Yeah.
Okay.
If it starts coming back down again, though, I'm gonna take it again. This time I will get in early. Yeah, I'd used the same stop loss as on Forex. It would have been more.
Yeah. Yeah, you're talking like 120.
Yeah, yeah. Right. Hey, this can do. Let's not have it top. I mean, bottom week. This previous candle actually closed nicely on the on futures. Been closed doji like this.
Oh, yep. Yeah, possible re-entry, like a few pips below that candle.
Mm-hmm. Man, still got 8 minutes to close.
Oh shit. Look at this thing. I'm not gonna lie, I thought this thing was gonna come down. I remember seeing you take a trade very similar to this and gold fucking just shot the bed.
Yeah, that's why I took it again. I was confident it was gonna come down. But hey, if we lose it, does not mean this type of setup does not work. It just didn't work today. Well, man, I wonder what Alpha Capital spread is because I just got stopped out on it.
What the fuck?
Yeah,
Still like, let me see.
I know, right?
Should be like 8, 9 pips away.
Yep, they already stopped me out.
Damn.
And we recommend freaking Alpha Capital to anyone.
Fuck you, Pi.
But their futures platform, though, that one is okay. So, but, I'm still alive on my book. Huh? That one is important. Man, I hate being caught at the lows like this.
Yeah, that's the worst feeling because now it's like a journey just to get break even.
Yeah, it's probably gonna stop us out. This kind of stuff. 6 minutes to close. Yeah, I've been stopped out.
Yeah.
Okay. Yep. First loss of the week. Yes. So I'm going to wait here, see if we can get another setup. It's at 10. We still have in the next 30 to 45 minutes. If there's nothing, I'm done. And that means we're still gonna have to fall from here if we're gonna take a second trade here. Because if this does not hold, then I don't think we're gonna be able to take anything else because of the news. Oh, let me record this loss. What time is Trump speaking? He's speaking at 10 CST.
1 hour 30 minutes from now.
Yeah. Hmm. 25. Just like that. From almost 82 to 75. This is a clear example of how the market is just always gonna do whatever it wants to. Yeah, the 30 then close below. See, do I have that? Gonna change this to. It does look like it wants to go, keep going though.
Yeah. Still no sellers really stepping back in yet.
Yeah, you should do it from this supply here. That's what it wants to do. It wants to pull back deeper again. And it's crazy how the buyers were still able to succeed after this candle.
Yeah, after they got, you know, flushed out, stopped out. But to be fair, you know, the better sells are obviously, you know, higher up, you know, waiting for a deeper retrace.
Yeah.
Oh, NYSE opened.
Yeah. Watch it go down now. Oh, there's a high chance it's gonna go back up to the supplies above. Then if we have enough time, we'll look to take sell. And if we're able to take another position here, don't try to increase your lot size to try to, you know, make back what you lost today. You don't have to do that. There's always gonna be the next day. Try Xness. Oh no, my broker is good. I was on Alpha Capital as your prop firm. As far as volume and stuff, this month has not been the best. But I feel like it's only gonna get better because look at London session today and yesterday too. I think this was London session here and London session all this. I'm gonna use the restroom real quick. Right back.
Watch it go down now. I don't know. It broke the high to the left, so you know. Market always does that, like breaks a high or a low and then it pulls back. So it's pulling back right now, whether or not actually was just a fake out to continue lower, or you know, it is just a pullback to get back to that higher supply. Who knows? Here comes the combine reset. Oh no. Did I get stopped? Yeah, I got stopped out too. I lost like 4 pips on Forex and 2 pips on futures.
Man, that's not a loss. That's break even.
I should have taken my 32 pips of profit.
Oh, you saw 32?
Yeah.
Oh. Gonna do 90 here. depending on how this current candle closes, then there's a chance we can still come down from here. Because even though this high right here is not a strong pullback, you still have a continuation zone from there that created this low. So we'll see. And if we do take this, it's not going to be a supply setup. It's going to be a resistance because we're still rejecting it. What the hell? Why does it say 30 minutes? Didn't I close it? Oh, I didn't change this. I'm gonna do 90.
For the first time, I did see some big sellers trying to step in now.
Oop.
Lucian, did you sell it? No, he's gone. He's like, fuck this shit. Got stopped out.
Oh, he's gone. Trump will make the dollar stronger again. So sales is confirmed.
Oh, you're done for the day as well, Edwin. Don't want to risk your profit. Fair enough. I already made back my profit. I mean my loss just now because I sold it as soon as the seller stepped in.
Oh man. My futures might get there before Forex. If we get order field and Forex is not at entry, don't get in yet. Okay. Oh man. Oh. This entry I'm gonna have to use 100 on futures.
Order filled.
Don't get in. That's for futures. Waiting on Forex.
We're running out of options. I didn't know then, but we took every precaution. Now you're holding back.
If I take an entry on Forex, I'm done for today. I need water.
Hey, J Smith. US 30. Yes, what about it? We back in. Abe's in on futures, not Forex yet. I'm more in on Forex from. I'm about to get stopped out at my runner, like 4 pips away from getting stopped out on the runner.
Nope, not looking good on my futures account right now.
Man, stop cock teasing me, Gold.
I
You know
only-
you want my runner.
I only took it on top step there.
Oh, okay.
On the challenge. What's US30 doing? Going crazy?
Yeah, it's so ominous. Just writes US 30 and that's it. Doesn't say what.
Entry Sherlock.
Just do it gold. You know you want it.
Hmm.
Okay, got me. Fucking asshole.
Yeah, I might want to pull. I might want to go up.
I think you're still safe because on your futures you have it above the high.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you're still safe.
But if this current candle close bullish, it's not looking good for sales. The futures would have triggered too, but I kept moving the entry down a little bit. I was waiting for that candle to close because of the time.
As soon as I said, you know, big sellers came in, it's like, I'm in. Fuck it. I'm in.
And it still didn't continue to fall.
Yeah.
Yeah, Go could be waiting for the speech. After the speech, then it does what it wants to do to begin with.
Mm. It's a scam. Well, it did drop 37 pips, so, you know, from my entry, so it's alright. It's a good scam.
Yeah, yeah. You know, not everyone looks at the tick chart.
The scam is me telling everyone, but I said it literally as it happened. I literally said big seller stepped in and then I fucking sold it.
Huh?
And then when I entered before on the other trade, I literally said when I entered. I literally said it and it went down as soon as I got in. Nobody can act on it. They can act on the, you know, the large buyer or seller, but, you know, it's up to them if they want to take that information.
Yeah, it's kind of getting aggressive.
Sellers stepping in again, but this time they're getting absorbed, which is bad news. 50, 30, 20, 20.
Uh, 5 minute does look like a rejection from demand.
The demand.
Mhm. Uh, uh. Yeah, she wants higher. Obviously, by the time it gets to the higher supply, which is right now, it's looking like that's what it wants to do. Yeah, I won't be taking that because right now we only got 1 hour left. And 2 minutes pretty much. So it doesn't give a position here. Yes, that's it. And maybe Asia will give something tonight.
Don't count on it.
Hey, you never know. Sell now, man. Don't sell now, please. But hey, if you want to sell, sell. Man, this thing is gonna leave a freaking huge button wick on the 4 hour.
Damn. Look at this 15-minute candle. Holy shit.
I know, right? It's about to break the top wick of the previous candle.
Looks bad. 30-minute closed higher than the previous. Hourly closed a little bit more bullish than the previous hourly. Oh, huge sellers fucking just stepped in. But, you know, Who the fuck knows?
They did the same thing the last time.
Yeah. I'm not gonna be jumping in because 30 hourly, I don't know. Looks like it wants higher.
That's the VWAP, if that makes anyone feel better.
Oh, it rejected VWAP?
It's literally just touched it and rejected it for like
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times.
Oh. Makes sense. Volume weighted average price.
What's alligator saying?
Yeah, what's the alligator?
Saying so.
Oh, okay. That's what I'm talking about.
Ichimoku is saying so.
Just get as many as you can on the screen. And it will follow it.
Looks ugly, yes it does.
There you go. That's what you got happening here.
That means nothing.
I know. Looks good though.
Trump's gonna kill us all.
Usually if gold wants to do something, man, they can do it in an hour, but this one that is Trump that's speaking today.
Man, I'm gonna sell it as soon as he opens his mouth. See. Ukraine, I don't like Ukraine. I'm taking all my weapons from Ukraine. That's it. Sell it.
Man, there's so much fucking sellers up here. They're selling the shit out of it.
They better bring it down now. You said there's two genders. Yeah, you said that.
God bless him. He clearly needs to go back to school and get educated on the 50 different genders. Nah, fuck it. I'm done trading. It's starting to get closer and closer to this Trump nonsense. Not a great January for you. 3 losses, 2 wins. So that's 5 trades in all of January. Huh, not many. Looks ugly. Oh, hey, Gideon.
Volume wise, yeah, January has not. January hasn't been the best.
It's looking like each time these big sellers step in, they're getting less movement down each time.
They keep stepping it out there, but they're not pushing it down.
Yeah. So like this time it only dropped like, what is this shit? It's like 30 pips on futures. The other time was like pretty big. Like 50 pips on futures. Just pray to be out before news. Huge spike up if it's going down and vice versa.
January to you is not too bad. You started on the 15th of this month. We started on the 6th. And so far, we've only taken 12 trades.
Is that including your 2 swing trade?
No.
Okay.
Wait, I think it includes one. So if I added it, yep, it includes one of them.
Okay.
I didn't add the second one, since I was the only one that took that one.
Oh.
As you said, right? Could have been, yeah.
This is a sell? Man, then why are you telling me all that stuff? Like, when I say big sellers stepping in doesn't mean shit.
Because they freaking lied. They didn't push it down. It went right back up.
Well, I mean,
no, based on
now
my,
it's given like...
Based on my experience, if it wants higher, it should have done that.
Oh wait, nope, I'm wrong. It only gave 40 from the seller stepping in. Man, I hate Trade of 8 how they don't have a measuring tool. I have to like manually fucking mathematically calculate this shit.
Remember, I used to ask you. Well, if this thing gets to entry, it's 9/11 right now. Pretty much 911.
Oh
Man, that's just the
god.
wrong. That's just the wrong phrase to describe a trade. This trade strategy is 9/11. What the fuck? Oh man.
Yeah, well, what I was gonna say is, if it gets to entry, if you wanna take it, hey, just remember, this is coming up, and gold, you could just freaking continue to the downside right before the news.
And it can also continue to barcode like it's doing right now.
I think I might risk it on probably Alpha Capital.
I definitely don't want to risk nice profits on the day for, you know, Trump.
I'm gonna go with PFA analysis. It says sell. Right, PFA?
He's gone. He's like, I'm out of here. Fuck this. The volume's died. It's a bunch of like 1, 2 lots trading now. Man, I'm far away from break even. Oh man, you're in the cells? Shit.
Oh, your stop loss must have been higher.
My 5 lots could help now? It probably could. It would look big compared to these guys. You got stopped in one account and still in on another. Oh. Damn. And this thing's gonna rotate back up again. And then rotate back down again.
looking
I
at
am looking at
another
other
pair
pairs to trade.
trade.
You should do what Kildebeat did. Kildebeat went back to GJ, and he said he got clapped. Or do what I do. Trade NAS. But you'll probably get clapped if you don't trade it like me.
Oh, kidding me. Did you take the GJ buys the other day? Oh, okay.
Oh, he won his last 2 trades on GJ. Nice. Looking at GU, not touching NAS 100 again. Yeah, it's rotating back up again. Then it's probably gonna rotate back down again because it's all one lots trading and it's just gonna fucking float around, not do anything. NAS way too volatile. Yeah, that's why you gotta trade it on that, like some kind of small time frame. And now it's rotating back down.
I'm looking at it for an hour. I'm like, not like, I mean, it did reject this demand, but it wicked it. I don't like that. So this 4 hour demand down here be the best. That'll be crazy if Trump speaks and then this thing we can just keep tanking.
I could see that happening.
Right now, I feel like it's waiting for the news.
Yeah, that's why it's like all fucking one lots and shit. And barcoding.
They all scared of Trump.
Man, I know if I fucking sell it right now, 5 lots, it's gonna go straight into drawdown. But if I don't sell it, it'll rotate down.
Why does he want to wait with us in it? I don't know. Oh, the one we took earlier, we got stopped out.
Buy it then? No, if I buy it, I'm gonna go straight into drawdown too. That's the problem with like low volume chop. I even like showed it to the guys like on yesterday's London stream, the order flow chart, and how I was trading it during Asian, and I took like fucking 10 trades, and I'm getting fucking clapped left and right.
won't be
Oh, but don't
surprised.
worry, I actually ended up with like $170 in profit because of the RR factor of it.
I won't be surprised if it comes straight down right before the news, like I said earlier. We can do anything.
I'll go into drawdown, but you guys will go opposite. I see what you're doing. You want me to sacrifice myself? Oh shit. Someone just sold 100 lots, 180 lots, and it got absorbed. And then someone bought 220 lots and it got absorbed. What the fuck's going on?
Yeah, other flow is confused.
Yeah, they're confused as fuck.
It would not have just press buy.
Orders accumulating? Yeah. Man, it's gonna move like crazy when Trump speaks. People are dropping such huge orders right in the middle of this chop. Jesus. 180 lots. Goddamn, right in the middle of this area. Who the fuck would want to do that? Like, do it at the top or the bottom.
It's probably like, well, it's created resistance twice at this minor, previous minor resistance.
Losing with will to live with gold. You're losing your will to live because of gold? Damn.
Might be a two-way thing with gold. Maybe we will go straight to profit. That's possible too. Selling pressure is increasing. Man, it's been doing that since our session started.
Yeah, you see, it's just chopping back and forth. It's not gonna do shit.
All right, Yaslin, you don't trade on Fridays? Okay.
Let me call Trump real quick to dump gold now. Man, call fucking Fed Chair Powell. Get that guy to tweet some bullshit about like interest rates.
What is Trump? What's Trump even going to talk about?
Yeah, it doesn't even like mention. It's like just he's gonna talk. Have a good weekend. All right, see you. Take care.
All right, get a bit.
All right. It's gonna probably go a little bit higher and then rotate back down again. Imagine you had the balls to just trade this range like that. You just like, okay, I'm just gonna keep buying like this tiny little dip and selling this tiny little pop.
Mm-hmm.
Do it. Show them the way. Show them the tick way. Man, did you not remember me showing you the fucking Asian session? Fucking spent hours. Well, not hours. Probably like 2 hours trading Asian session just to get like fucking a migraine. Gabriel said, "That's me, Captain Sweaty Balls, playing the range." Jesus. What?
What's the downside to take out 27.34 to 27.31? Levels record to yesterday highs.
27.31, all the way down there and then rocket to yesterday's highs. Yeah, that's a nice level for buyers. Does that mean you're actually trading this range, Gabriel? Yes? Oh, okay. Hopefully it's going well.
Wait, Trump is already speaking? Is this old? Oh, it says live.
America, we have things that nobody else has. We have more natural
shit.
resources. We have, number one, nobody knew that until I came along. I made us number one. We were number three. I made us number one in a very short period of time in drilling. And you know, you can talk about windmills. They litter our country. They're littered all over our country, like dropping paper, like dropping garbage in a field, and that's what happens to them, because in a period of time they turn to garbage. Most expensive energy ever. They only work if you get subsidy. The only people that want them are the people that are getting rich off windmills, getting massive subsidies from the U.S. government. And it's the most expensive energy there is. It's many, many times more expensive than clean natural gas. So we're going to try and have a policy where no windmills are being built. You know, off the coast of New Jersey, they want to build like 200 windmills. The people are going crazy. Nobody wants them, and they're very expensive. They don't work without subsidy. You don't want energy that needs subsidy. Energy is a good business. You don't need subsidy. But when you build these massive towers, and they're 25 stories tall, 40 stories, they have 170 stories tall. The blades, they take 3 ships to ship them. It's crazy. They're dangerous. You see what's happening up in the Massachusetts area with the whales, where they had 2 whales wash ashore in, I think, a 17-year period. And now they had 14 this season. The windmills are driving the whales crazy, obviously. And they had actually over, I think, 125 or something over a number of years. And we don't want that to happen. It's a disaster. It's amazing the way a true environmentalist would say, "Oh, we love wind." It sounds good, but that's about where it ends. You know, after 10 years, you have to redo them. And what happens is they don't do that. They let them stand and they rust. And
Dude, what the fuck is he rambling about?
I'm not a believer in this, but they say you can't, because it's a certain fiberglass, that the blades cannot be buried in earth. That's an environment. So what do you do with them? What do you do with them? And I don't know if you've ever gone to Palm Springs, California, or any of these places where you have long-term windmills standing. They're a disaster. They're rusting, rotting, closed, falling down. This is as you enter Palm Springs. And they put new ones next to them because nobody wants to take them down, because why should they take them down? It's very expensive to take them down. And you can't do anything with them because the blades, you can't bury them because of the environmental protection. We'll look at that. Doesn't make sense, but that's what they say. So we are at the beginning of a great, beautiful golden age of business. And I think we're also at a golden age of common sense, because everything I'm saying to you, from a simple water faucet that doesn't allow water to come out appropriately, to all of the other elements of what we do and what we're going to do. To take 50 to 60 trillion dollars off our country's balance sheet because some man that has no idea what he's doing, has no idea. You know it, I know it, the Democrats know it. What they did is a crime by allowing that to happen. And I'll bet you, if you asked him today, how much acreage did you submit? Essentially, did you destroy? You destroyed the economic viability of drilling in the ocean. And with AI coming along and all, you know, a lot of people don't realize that AI is going to be a big thing, but you'll need double the electricity at least that we have right now. So right now we produce electricity for many, many different things. AI is a very big deal in terms of the future. China is already building electric facilities, big, bold electric facilities. And you know how they're being fired up? With coal. They're being fired up with coal. And we're going to build bigger and better ones. People like Hussein that are doing the same thing as he is. I'll bet they don't do it as well because I know how he does it, but they're doing a lot of things. The problem is they can't get their permits because I say build the plant with the building. So with the structure, build the plant, because if you go into grids are old. So they said, that's a great idea. In other words, build your electric facility alongside of your plant. And you could have extra output if you want, because once you build it, you can make it larger pretty inexpensively. You could have extra output, which you'll sell to the public, but build it with the plant, and people are loving that idea. So we're going to have a lot of fun making America great again, and it's going to happen, I think, very, very quickly. It's already happened. So I would say this, and this has been pretty openly reported by the news. There's never been anything like what's happened in the list since we won the election. Couple of months since we won the election, the whole perception of the whole world is different. People from other countries have called me. They said, thank you. Thank you. The perception of the whole world is different. We're going to have to settle some big problems that are going on right now. We're going to have to settle up with Russia, Ukraine. That's a disaster. I look at numbers every week, the number of people being killed in that war. People don't know, mostly soldiers now. But the towns have been obliterated. This was a Biden fiasco that he got as.
That is nonsense.
If we had a real president, if we had a president that knew what he was doing, Russia would have never, ever gone in. But they did go in, and we have a mess. The cities are all blown up. The people have largely left. And the soldiers are killing each other at levels that haven't been seen since the Second World War. So we'll have to get that one straightened out, too. That's a tough one. Much tougher than it would have been before it started, I can tell you that. A deal could have been made just by an average deal maker. Deal could have been made on that.
Damn,
So thank you all for coming. We'll take a couple of questions. Yeah. Go ahead, please.
President, thank you. Wanted to touch on the world on fire that you mentioned, but let's start, if we could, with your references to Greenland and the Panama Canal, so forth. Can you assure the world that as you try to get control of these areas, you are not going to use military or economic coercion?
No.
And can you tell us a little bit about what your plan is? Are you going to negotiate a new treaty? Are you going to ask the Canadians to hold a vote? What is the strategy?
Yeah, I can't assure you. You're talking about Panama and Greenland. No, I can't assure you on either of those two. But I can say this. We need them for economic security. The Panama Canal was built for our military. I'm not going to commit to that now. It might be that you'll have to do something. Look, the Panama Canal is vital to our country. It's being operated by China. China. And we gave the Panama Canal to Panama. We didn't give it to China. And they've abused it. They've abused that gift. It should have never been made, by the way. Giving the Panama Canal is why Jimmy Carter lost the election, in my opinion, more so maybe than the hostages. The hostages were a big deal. But if you remember, and nobody wants to talk about the Panama Canal now because, you know, it's inappropriate, I guess, but because it's a bad part of the Carter legacy. But he was a good man. Look, he was a good man. I knew him a little bit, and he was a very fine person. But that was a big mistake. Giving the Panama Canal to Panama was a very big mistake. We lost 38,000 people. It cost us the equivalent of $1 trillion, maybe more than that. Probably the most expensive. They say it was the most expensive structure, if we call it a structure. Which
All right, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow.
And
I can't
giving
do
that
this.
away was a horrible thing.
Thanks,
and I
Abe.
believe that's why Jimmy
Take care,
Carter lost
guys.
the election, even more so than the hostages. Those two things.
Just don't know if this is the speech or because it says it's live. So
Just before, it's a lot more complicated now.
Much more complicated.
Do you believe?
Because it would have never started.
Right, but it has started. It's you.
Well,
got-
not only started, the cities are largely knocked down.
So
They're
you've got
like,
what you've got. At this point, to hold on to leverage in dealing with President Putin, would you make a commitment to the Ukrainians that you will keep supporting them during the negotiations?
well, I wouldn't tell you
And
if
would
that were the
would you
case.
make a commitment to provide a security guarantee if they do enter into an armistice or a ceasefire along the lines that the French and the Germans?
So, a big part of the problem was Russia for many, many years, long before Putin said you could never have NATO
If you've ever wanted
involved
to
with
transition
Ukraine.
into
Now,
a
they've said that
remote
that's been
six-figure
written in stone. And somewhere along the line, Biden said, no, they should be able to join NATO. Well, then Russia has somebody right on their doorstep, and I could understand their feeling about that. But there were a lot of mistakes made in that negotiation. And when I heard the way that Biden was negotiating, I said, you're going to end up in a war. And it turned out to be a very bad war. And it could escalate. That war could escalate to be much worse than it is right now.
They can never join NATO.
Well, my view is that it was always understood. In fact, I believe that they had a deal, and then Biden broke it. They had a deal which would have been a satisfactory deal to Ukraine and everybody else, but that Biden said, no, you have to be able to join NATO. And that's always been, and nobody knows more about NATO than I. Years ago when I first started this, I didn't know too much about NATO, but I got it right anyway. I said they're taking advantage. I'm the one that got, and the Secretary General was here, as you know, 2 weeks ago, saying that if it weren't for me, NATO wouldn't even exist right now, because I raised from countries that weren't paying their bills. At that time, 28 countries, 20 of them were not paying their bills.
all right, YouTube. All my links is down below in the description. Swing trading challenge, the 500 to 1M challenge we're doing. We started on Monday. So if you want to be part of that, the mentorship link is in the description. All right, guys. Tomorrow is the last trading day of this week. So I'll see you guys back again tomorrow during NY session. All right, guys. I'm out of here. Peace. God bless. All right, Zoom. See you guys during Asia session. We'll see if we catch a trade during Asia today. And of course, London tomorrow.
Flex up, hey, flex up. I wanna flex up, I need a tag, yeah. I wanna recording. Unless you talking numbers, we ain't speaking about the right things. Switch up on my nigga for a figure, that's not like me. Baddie with a body in the lobby, she like nice things. She used to know me then, she like me now, that's funny timing. Eyes been on that prize, I cop that cribbo for that timepiece. I'm trying to see the globe and sell out shows until the flight leave. They wanna ride my ties, but they ain't even ride or die, please. But I've been short on time, been in the prime of my prime easy. I said I never changed and leveled up, I guess I lied, yeah. Off that strain of potent just to feel like I'm alive, yeah. Mix that with that potion just to feel like I'm that guy, yeah. So know the one you talking to, you way outside your line, yeah. Go against the tribe, you lose your... Let me not even say this. I just ran out of my patience. I just got tired of waiting and got here myself. Want me to believe in the dream that they see for themselves, but still doubting themselves. They might as well light up the L. High top on 10 toe, drip retro. Talking major plays, hella high tech through the getro. Pin game, pin petrol. Just set it in the flesh hole. Send a text mail to give it wet clothes. On the vapor wave to make a drip drip with the left lobe in the left stroke. Flex up. I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long. Yeah. Flex up. Shawty on 10, finna go up. Bring that to the crib, let me show love. Yeah. Flex up. Yeah. I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long. I need a bag. Flex up. I need a tag, yeah. Shawty on 10, finna go up. Bring that to the crib, let me show love. Hey, come from the pit, I'm out of the trench, my nigga, we. Look at the dread, my nigga, we ran, she all on my way. told ya I'm that chosen one. I just got a bag, she wanna I think she know I'm star. I can't do no wrong, look in her eyes, she wouldn't know I'm scarred. They try to justify me going up like they don't know he raw. Off of that doja, what they told you, I'm never sober. Gripping the split for the chip on my shoulder, trying to decode this. They label me thug, I keep it a buck, I don't give a fuck about it. Out of the mud, it's showing me love, my nigga, what's up? Out of my way, bitch, I need the paper. What you want, I mean, I know later. I keep it short with the conversation. Out of my lane, the coupe got a brain in the cockpit with no hands on it. I've been the man with the plan, homie. Flip that to the man with the bands on me and a passport with the stamps on it. Yeah. I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long. Yeah. Shawty on 10, finna go up. Bring that to the crib, let me show love. I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long. I need next up.